Hey there, thanks for stopping by and checking out our course snippet taken from the Web Development Masterclass. In our course, we teach the full web development lifecycle, including all the latest web technologies and cloud hosting frameworks. For full course details and registration, please visit the link down below in the info section.
In this lecture, we're going to explore link creation within our HTML document. We'll be creating both text links as well as image links. Let's start with adding a link on the images we inserted in the last lecture. We'll link each vacation picture to a relevant website. To do so, we'll be using the A tags. Add the following code around your first image. We'll start with the opening A tag, followed by the href attribute, and this attribute specifies where this image will link to, and we have to include the complete URL. In this case, we're going to have it linked to miami.com. Be very careful not to make any typos in the URL, otherwise the link will not work. And that's it for the first link. You'll notice that the closing A tag and the opening A tag do encompass the image tag and the image attributes. Okay, so the link must encompass the entire image, from the opening tags to the closing. And let's just go ahead and apply a few other links as well to the other images. Now I'll just copy and paste this code to save time, and I'll change the link source. And now that I have all my links created and attached to the images, I'll go ahead and save my file and preview this in the web browser to make sure that all the links do work. So right away, when I hover my mouse over these images, I can tell that a link is attached to the image because the cursor changes. Let's just go ahead and click on each one to make sure that the links do work. So it appears that each link does work, and that's how you apply links to images. Now let's go ahead and create textual links. Now the process of adding links to text is identical, but first we have to create a few lines of text to apply links to. So let's go ahead and create a new paragraph. And then just type some text. Now I'll just indent this text. And now we can begin adding the text links. We'll use the same links that we used last time because we know they work. You can just copy and paste from the other links we created. Okay, so now that we have our links applied, we can go ahead and just save the file. We'll test one of them just to make sure it works. I'm sure you get the idea. So we can see our list there. And we'll just click on florida.com. And it does go to the miami.com website. Now, one thing you'll notice is when I clicked on the link, it opened the link in the same browser window as our original page. A lot of times what you might need to do is open the link in a new browser window, so then that way the original window doesn't close, and the viewer can very easily revert back to it. And in order to do that, we need to add a target attribute to our A tag. So the target attribute looks like this. And to specify that we want this page to open in a new browser window, you put an underscore and type blank within the quotations. And that'll open in a new blank window. That's what that means. So just copy and paste that attribute into the other links. And then save your file and preview it in the browser. Okay, so now we can see that the link opens in a separate browser window. And it's a lot more convenient to switch back to our original page without having to press the back button. And it looks like each one is working and opening in a separate browser window.